subscribe to our channel.
10 natural antibiotics that don't require a prescription. 1. Grapefruit seeds. In natural stores, you can buy these seeds extracts or let them dry after you eat the fruit and then mash them in a mortar. Grapefruit is capable of destroying bacteria, fungus, parasites, and viruses. It is a very economical antibiotic that can be taken at any age. 2. Garlic. There is no surprise that garlic is found in the superfood ranking. There are many advantages of this vegetable that is used in thousands of recipes. One of its most important properties is that it is antibacterial. This food has been used for thousands of years to cure various epidemic diseases, like the plague. The antibacterial properties were studied by Louis Pasteur in the 19th century, who confirmed that it has the ability to kill bacteria, fungus, and viruses. It also strengthens the immune system if you eat it raw. 3. Silver nanoparticle. Silver nanoparticle water can be found in natural stores and it is not toxic at all. It has the ability to destroy over 650 disease-causing pathogens. Up until the year 1934, silver nanoparticle was the only remedy used by doctors to treat any disease. You can buy it without a prescription. The use of this antibiotic decreased with the development of the pharmaceutical industry. 4. Echinacea. This is a North American plant, whose leaves as well as roots were used by the Native Americans to cure wounds. Echinacea also has the ability to prevent infections, improve the immune system, and stimulate the production of lymphocytes. These cells play a very important role when defending the body from diseases, infections, and viruses. This North American plant is also effective in fever, flu, and ear infection treatments. It relieves skin inflammation, throat pain, and soothes digestive and urinary pains. 5. Propolis. This is the substance produced by bees as they collect pollen or sap from plants and flowers. Bees use propolis to keep the hive clean and hygienic, as well as protect against intruders. Thanks to this substance, hives are the most sterile place in nature. For thousands of years, propolis has been used for protection against bacteria and to strengthen the immune system. 6. Vitamin C. Many fruits and vegetables supply the body with a good amount of vitamin C. Its properties are truly amazing in regards to preventative purposes. It is a natural antioxidant and stimulates the body's defensive mechanism. People who eat citrus fruits, for example, do not get sick as easily. Vitamin C also eliminates viruses and bacteria and also helps eliminate toxins. 7. Oregano. If you can find oregano oil, this is even better. It is made with the leaves of this aromatic spice and contains a substance with very good antibacterial properties. It allows you to fight many infections and is much more effective than the antibiotics that are sold in pharmacies. 8. Olive leaf. You could say that olive leaf extract is a miracle substance that is produced during the processing of this plant. It has antimicrobial properties, protects olives from pathogens. It also eliminates the harmful effects of free radicals, which cause premature aging, for example. Lastly, olive leaf extract is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and pain reliever. 9. Astragalus. This is a plant with Chinese origins that is not well known in the Western world, but is highly used in this country's traditional medicine. It is used to strengthen the immune system, prevent the flu and colds, and fight infections in the entire Asian continent. Astragalus is also anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant. It lowers blood pressure, strengthens the immune system, and prevents diabetes. 10. Green tea. You may have heard about this infusion because it is great for weight loss and to eliminate fluid retention, but it also has other properties. Its most important component, epigallocatechin gallate, is effective in fighting almost all oral bacteria. It is an excellent antibiotic that should not be missing from your everyday life. It is also delicious. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.